I got here first. I got here first. Give me this shit. Give me the shit. It's mine. Oi. Stop fighting, you two. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. We got deliveries to talk about. Holy crap. New monthly record high, all-time high in terms of deliveries. But first, you got to check this out. People, right now, here in China, they have the national holiday, and people are fighting over chargers. It is like absolutely, it's chaos, man. It's chaos. Have a listen to this clip, all right?
Electric car charging. I'm number 49 in line. How far along am I? Number 35. Can't even count to 49 or 35 anymore. Each car takes 40 minutes to charge. How long will I wait for 10 cars then? Hunan's charging stations are ridiculous. There's one station with 4 charging ports, still over a dozen people waiting. No idea how to manage this wait. Everyone here needs to charge their car, all just waiting around here. Charging cars. Line stretches way back there. This whole row is the same. Clearly not enough chargers for demand.
So if you're driving a new energy vehicle, whether it's EV or hybrid, and you want to charge, you have to get a little ticket, right, to sort of line up. Otherwise, there will be absolute anarchy. People fighting for chargers. Hey, I came in line first. People cutting in line, that kind of BS. You go for a piss, and now all of a sudden you have to wait an extra 3 hours because 2-3 guys cut in line in front of you. So this is really highlighting the importance of battery swap. And it's not that battery swap you don't have to line up. All right, if 4 or 5 cars, NIO cars, go to the battery swap station at the same time, they still need to line up, right? Maybe probably less than those other EVs, but you don't have the stress of like having to get a ticket and don't have to worry about people cutting in line. You know, it's the same with gas stations, right? There's lots of people using the gas station, right? It's unavoidable, but it really shows that the charging seems almost like primitive in the sense that you have to get a ticket to line up, whereas with a battery swap, it's all done electronically. You're lined up in the system. If it's not your turn, you can't go get a battery swap. And of course, with battery swap, you have so many fully charged batteries inside the swap station. You know, you can fulfill a lot of customers before you have to sort of wait for a battery to be fully charged, right? And most of the time, it's just you go and there will normally be a fully charged battery and you can just leave in 3 minutes time. So that's, you know, that's making a lot of EV owners that are non-NIO very, very jealous. And you can see they're charging, they're waiting for their car to charge, or they're waiting in line, holding in their piss or in the rain. And yeah, they're just jealous looking at NIO cars come, swap and go, come, swap and go. It's just that convenient. Right, so this is a really showcasing how powerful battery swap is. And it's not like NIOs can't charge. NIOs, of course, can charge. But at the end of the day, having an extra option for getting power is much better than just having one. So this is definitely showcasing its usefulness. So let's go into deliveries. New monthly record high in terms of deliveries. 34,749 deliveries in September. All-time high, 64% year-over-year growth. Absolutely insane. Cumulative deliveries for NIO has reached 872,785, and this is for the NIO group. That means all the vehicles sold and are on the road right now, delivered to customers, you have 872,785. So quite a lot of vehicles. And then to break down the numbers specifically, for the NIO brand, we had 13,728. For the Envol brand, 15,246. And Envol brand has overtaken NIO. And this is what's supposed to happen. All right, Envol brand is the mass market brand. It is the cheaper car. It's for the mass market. It doesn't make sense for the mass market brand to sell less than a premium brand. So this is normal. And Firefly car, 5,775, doing really well as well. Lots of people buying that car. It's really becoming a hot seller. Now, with all my videos, there's a bullish side, there's also the other side of the coin. So something you do have to be aware of is the delivery makeup of the car. You have more Envoy cars and more Firefly cars, and that does mean that the average selling price will be lower, right? And that does mean that this will impact revenue. So you're not going to see a 64% like increase in revenue because the cars are just simply cheaper. All right, so keep that in mind. Keep your expectations in check. Don't be like, oh my God, when earnings report comes out, like, oh my God, NIO delivered more cars, but how come revenue didn't increase that much? What's going on? Like a NIO bad company. No. It's simply the delivery makeup is a little bit different. All right, you got more Envoy cars. And by the way, this is just with like 1 week of ES8 deliveries. So I fully expect that we could even like see in October, right? NIO brand overtake Envoy once again. Like that would be pretty insane. But I wouldn't be too surprised if that happens because you do have the ES8 kicking in finally, and October you'll have a full month of ES8 deliveries, and of course the big challenge now that we are officially in Q4, and in Q4 we are aiming for profitability. It is very important that we get as many cars out there as we can. 50,000 is the target. Now, I told you guys I'm a little bit skeptical about actually achieving 50,000, but I do think NIO will still get profitable with the extreme cost cutting that they've done. But let's just say with these current numbers, 34,749, they're about like 15,000 off to their 50,000 target, monthly target. So they really need to, pump out more cars, deliver those cars. And another key car that could really surprise a lot of you guys, of course, NIO CEO has said you do have to wait in line for this. The Envoy L60, the 2025 version, just came out on the 19th of September. So you will definitely see more of that being delivered in October. So that could also help push Envoy numbers much substantially higher. And I do expect us to definitely in October break this number of 34,749. So in October, we are definitely getting a new all-time high in deliveries. So guys, hang on tight. We are blasting off. And yeah, full speed ahead, guys, right? All products that are supposed to be launched in 2025 have been launched. And October, November, December, you're going to see full monthly deliveries of all these products. Yeah. And of course, Q4 has historically been a strong seasonal quarter for deliveries. So definitely momentum is shifting towards that target, 150,000. If they're able to achieve that, yeah, that means they could get to 1 million deliveries total, cumulative, before the end of 2025. That will be very impressive. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and peace out.